Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here, and today we're going to take a look at a tournament highlight from the final battle of our 2025 Spring Open CAD vs. CAD speed modeling tournament. Now, although this tournament has come to a conclusion, I'm very excited to announce that we are currently running qualifiers for free entry to our 2025 Variety CAD tournament. Now, that tournament kicks off next month, and if you want to qualify for that tournament, or if you know somebody who's a speed demon in 3D CAD using any 3D CAD system, you can qualify for that tournament by visiting us at tootalltoby.com/variety. All right, let's get to the action here. We got Ricardo Jean with 1 point. We got Atse with 1 point. We're coming down to the final battle here, and I'm going to show you the drawing right now. So if you want to, you can pause the video and take a screen capture of this drawing. That way you can try to model it yourself and see how well you do, and then you can watch our 2 speed modeling finalists do it. But the thing that I want to call to your attention about this drawing is this note right here. You can see that the corner fillets are non-conical, meaning they are standard constant radius fillets. And that note is going to very much come into play during this tournament battle. So enjoy this final battle. I hope that you've enjoyed watching all of these battles. Make sure that you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can either join the YouTube channel or sign up for a Practice Models Premium account over at tootalltoby.com. We really appreciate the support. All right, let's get into it here with this final CAD vs. CAD battle. Boom.
Like Too Tall Boy.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Wow, wow, wow. All right, guys. Woo! All right. Our runners are feeling it. They are in the group. I don't want to stall them too long here. So we're just going to get the bonus CAD challenge up and running here. Guys, we got Ricardo Jean from Italy running SOLIDWORKS. We got Atse from Macedonia running SOLIDWORKS. This championship CAD battle, 1 point each. Whoever wins this point will be the champion of this 2025 Spring Open CAD vs. CAD tournament. This championship CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in xxx.x grams? Tolerance is plus or minus 0.1 grams, and this part is called Bad Idea because it is an ashtray made out of ABS, and that was very common as I was growing up. Here we go. We're flipping over to this CAD vs. CAD battle. Let's see how these guys do on this channel. On this challenge, Tier 5, FPV Kev says plastic ashtray. Yes, these were very common in diners, a staple as I was growing up in the punk rock scene. And guys, we see that on the left, Ricardo Jean is looking like he's ready to take first blood here, creating that rectangle, adding the fillets, and extruding it with draft. We see that on the right, we have got Atse deciding to take that square, extrude it, and then add the fillets afterwards. So we see 2 different methodologies here. One kind of keeping your sketch simple. That's what I like personally. One kind of embedding that additional geometry in there. I like that too. You know, we like both of them. So we see here that Atse on the right now is creating a new sketch up top. We see that that Ricardo Jean on the left creating that square sketch up top, trying to figure out what the dimensions need to be on that sketch.
I'm locked in on the stream. I am. Oh my gosh, this is like I'm shaking and I'm not even playing.
Yeah.
This is gonna be cool.
Metab in the chat says Ricardo is lightning fast this time.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like they're both at a very similar spot.
Yeah. They are both moving through this thing pretty quick.
Yeah.
And they're both, you know, as always, when you're looking at a drawing, you got to figure out not only where these dimensions are supposed to land, what the dimensions are supposed to be. You know, sometimes the dimensions end up showing up in an odd way. Look at Ricardo Jean here, examining his first sketch and realizing, oh, wait a second. Those are, that's not right. That's not going to work. And so going back and actually instead of modifying the sketch, doing a delete face and then adding them in as true radii. It says that in the magenta notes that those are true radii, and Ricardo Jean did pick up on that note and realize that they're not supposed to be conical. So very, very nice catch there from Ricardo Jean. I was keeping an eye on that.
Very clean.
Yeah, clean up there with that delete face. We see that on the right, Atse getting in there and using the slot command to create this shape that's kind of coming down from the top. We see on the left, Ricardo Jean doing the same thing. Ricardo Jean, the only SOLIDWORKS user in the world who's able to auto-dimension slots. I've never seen anyone pull that off because slots auto-dimension never seems to work right in SOLIDWORKS. But Ricardo Jean has cracked the code, a true master. And so Ricardo Jean getting in there, adding that. Now, the question becomes, are we going to try and do anything tricky with this? Are we going to try and just, kind of manually get it done? Looks like Ricardo Jean is going for the tricky route, creating an axis there. Atse doing the same thing on the right. So both of our runners creating an axis almost at the same time. Simul-axis creation. That's what we like to see. Ricardo Jean trying to create a pattern of this thing, getting SOLIDWORKS to give him some errors, trying to figure out what the angle should be. Error. SOLIDWORKS never. Oh, he got through it. He was able to figure out what the setting was to get through it. It looked like maybe it was a geometry pattern setting to get through it. Ricardo Jean getting in here and adding in a shell feature from the bottom of the model and looking over the model, giving it what we call the final spin. And Ricardo Jean coming into the chat with an answer. And guys, we have ourselves a champion. 180.8 is the correct answer. Congratulations to Ricardo Jean for speeding through that model. Congratulations to Atse. What an epic series of battles. That was an insane recovery. GG at Ricardo Jean. Yes, we were all watching. Atse coming into the chat, 180.8. That is correct, Atse. 180.8. That is correct for you as well. And it is going to be none other than Ricardo Jean, who is officially the champion of our 2025 Spring Open. Wow. GG to our winner. GG to all of the runners in that tournament. Atse being quite the gentleman here, saying GG Ricardo. Yes, indeed. Wow. Woo, man, that was absolutely awesome. Guys, if you enjoyed that, be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to send some super chat in. Be sure to subscribe over at tootalltoby.com. And I just want to once again say thank you so much to all of our runners. Thank you so much to our sponsors, to Too Tall Toby's Practice Models. Do another giveaway here to SolidBox, your source for any hardware, professional level hardware for 3D CAD professionals, and to Byte Systems, who will help you create automation for your SolidWorks and PDM workflows. Be on the lookout for all those sponsors for any of your needs. And wow, that was so awesome.